Hi everyone, we're going to talk today about creating WordPress using Docker, and it's going to be fast. So this video is going to show the demo part of this post on rockpoto.com, my blog, and I will assume that you are familiar with Docker, Docker Compose and Bedrock, which is a modern WordPress stack. So let's go straight to the demo part. So the first step is cloning the basic project from my GitHub. I already did it and opened the project in Visual Studio Code. The most important part of this demo is configurations, which we are not going to cover. I will give you the prepared in advance configuration files, these two, and the files contain configurations for MySQL, WordPress and Apache. So we are going to dive into this step, installing and running WordPress. And all the configurations are set in this file and this file in advance if you check out this branch. So the next step is installing WordPress. WordPress is going to be installed as PHP package by Composer, and WordPress version is in composer.json. I used this version just for this demo, but you can use any version. It's important to note that when you install it, it may take several minutes, but on my computer it's already installed. So the next step is raising WordPress stack using Docker Compose. Docker Compose file contains three services: web server, database, and phpMyAdmin. WordPress is installed inside this service, and this service also has Apache web server installed. So let's verify that all our services went up. Yeah, they are up and running. And the next step is going to published port by Docker Compose. As you can see, we have WordPress installed. What's cool about using this method is that you only need Docker Compose, and Git for using this demo. You don't need to install LAMP stack on your computer manually. You get everything for free from Docker. So database is in MySQL, image, Apache and WordPress installed here, and that's all. That's basically all. And if you want to know more details about this demo, please go to rockpoto.com and comment if you have more questions. In the next demo we are going to cover how to create and debug custom Python Prometheus exporter, and of course we are going to use Docker. Thanks a lot for your attention. Bye bye.